Okay, we have here a Husky 2200 PSI Q45 series pressure washer. It's my buddy's. He wants me to fix it. As you can see, it's broke. Looks like the gas tank self-destructed. Big hole right there. So I found a really good deal on eBay for 30 bucks. It's supposed to be the whole gas tank, hardware, bolts, and everything. When I opened this, I found something hilarious. They included some kind of latch. That is funny as hell. Let's see what this... Be warned though, it was only 30 bucks for a whole gas tank, but it took me a month to get it, and I think it was because of U.S. Customs. So just be careful if you're ordering overseas, like I sometimes do. Okay, so on eBay, the guy says it's reconditioned and tested for 30 bucks. That's a good deal. It looks to be pretty good. He gave me all the hardware, 2 mounting bolts. That's where the air cleaner goes. These two are between the carburetor and the engine. And then this little crankcase breather elbow thingamajigger. Let's put this together and see what happens. Okay, so on this old gas tank, this hole and this hole are slightly different sizes than the new one. So this hole's a little smaller. So just take my hand, just take a drill bit and make these a little bigger. You should always lubricate this O-ring with something before you put it on. Okay, what I would do is put this O-ring in first like this. Then the plastic collar goes over it like that. Slip that into place, like that. The mounting bolt started. And here's how the linkage is supposed to look. I hope you can see this. That's how it's all hooked up. Yeah, and don't do that. Hook that up first before you put the bolts in, unlike I just did. Okay, let's see if it's going to run. Quick side note, if you have one that's not destroyed like this and it just isn't running, if you take these 5 Phillips screws out and take this off, there's a diaphragm, and that diaphragm is always what goes bad, and you can pick those up cheap if you can find them. Just replace the rubber diaphragm between here and the tank and it'll run again.